Hey everybody, welcome back to my Grow Like a Pro YouTube channel. Today is April the 28th, 2018. Happy Saturday. Exactly 2 weeks ago, I started off this series. This is attempt number 1. I actually have another series that I started out because I had given up on this little batch of seeds. And today I just opened this up and I took a little peek, and one of the seeds has actually germinated. I had totally given up hope on this little package here. So let me just open this up and show you this. So I have actually started another brand new series. It's attempt number 2, and we have started that out in a different way, putting them right into a Jiffy pellet, which is right here. So that's the other video. Nothing has happened at this point, but we'll keep watching and see what happens. Hopefully we will get some kind of germination. I put a whole pile of seeds in here, as a last attempt to try to get something going. So that's on another video series for Rosemary. So this one here, so this is attempt number 1, April 14th. And let's open this up and look really carefully. I'm going to open this here. Make sure we don't miss any. Get that right on camera. Let's zoom in. So there we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 seeds right there. So it looks pretty large on the screen, but when you see my finger, you can see how small those seeds actually are in real life. And there we have one right there. And it has broken out of the seed, and it actually looks a little bit damaged. I might have done that. It's cracked right there on the taproot, right through the middle. But I'm actually going to get this into a Jiffy pellet and see if I can get this one going. But all of these, nothing's happening yet. But I am not going to give up hope at this point now that I've seen that we've been able to germinate one. So that's a really fast update for today. So 2 weeks in and we have germination on one. So I am going to start off another Jiffy pellet like this. I'm going to get this one planted, and I will keep you updated on that one as well as the others. I won't film me doing the whole Jiffy pellet thing. You've seen that in a number of videos for this season already. So I won't go through that again. But that's it. I just wanted to give you a really fast update on this video. So we do have a little bit of hope happening here. So we've got one germinated. Maybe some of the others will start this week. So that's it for this really fast video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you wish. And if you do subscribe to my channel, right beside the subscribe button, there's a brand new button that YouTube has implemented. It's on a little alert bell. If you click on that, you'll be alerted in your email each time I upload a brand new video. And if you like to bake and cook, please check me out on my main YouTube channel. It is Bake Like a Pro. youtube.com/bakelikeapro, and I'm also on my Facebook page at facebook.com/bakelikeapro. So that's it for this really fast video, and I'll catch you on the next one.